Well, good morning, YouTube.
Good morning.
It's Karen and Lisa show.
I'm ringing
Hey,
the doorbell and knocking, and he would not answer.
when you guys were in there for like what, a whole hour or two, and then all of a sudden this guy just comes out of the blue and decides to make his presence.
So I said, Clancy, I think this guy's here. His truck's outside. And so I heard the toilet lid upstairs plunk down after I said that, and then he came down and he goes, "Oh, you guys are here, huh?"
Yeah, sudden surprise. Anyways, we got a show for you. We're going to be doing some flooring today, so stick around.
Stick around.
Hold it like this, or just holding it, I don't know, something like that. And I just ran my blade just barely and went like.
You might be uptight already. It looks like you're uptight. This one's uptight.
This one too?
This one should still go. Oh yeah, moved again. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. I think you're. That's it. That's all you're gonna get. So what are you doing there, Lisa?
I'm painting.
Well, it looks like it's already painted though.
I'm painting little sparse spots that are bald.
So you missed a few spots.
I did, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys will be in the Bahamas throwing another impossible shrimp on the Barbie.
Hey, you got your leg in there.
Oh shit!
You were having fun.
He's driving around with a smile on his face, enjoying the sunshine.
Come on the face.
It will even out.
So this must have been the scene of the crime.
I put my blood and sweat into this floor.
A famous photo of you don't believe they bring anything? I don't believe they come from outside.
We're going to want that just on the inside of that door jamb. These door jambs will not have trim across the front of it. And even along the side here, you're going to want to bring that and tuck it up underneath there. Even though the trim's only going to come to right about here on this reveal. So there'll be a little corner there where you're going to see a hole if you don't tuck it. All right, so the way we're going to go about doing this, we're going to measure it. What do we got there? We got 3 3/4. We're going to subtract 1/4, so that's going to make it 3 1/2. And that's what we're going to take off of here. Okay, I'm going to mark out 3 1/2 and transfer that across, cut it, see how it works.
You love that place.
What are you doing over there, Lisa?
Playing a video game.
Get to work.
I swept and moved everything.
Lisa,
Huh?
are you in a mood?
I am. I'm all haired out.
What are you doing there?
I'm trying to figure out the trim.
Oh, my thumb! La, da, 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 da. Go around the corner. Go around the corner. You want the other half of that dent puller?
Yeah, need a dent puller holder. Ready.
Because it was the wrong sheet. We got 2 cans of paint. We painted yesterday and it worked. Then I opened up the brand new can because I couldn't find the open one, and I applied it to the voids and stuff that I was repainting. Anyhow, so now I'm hoping that this sheen will be the right one because it was the right one yesterday.
You can see the shade difference.
So how do you like this flooring, Clancy?
It was pretty much the easiest flooring I've ever put in.
Yeah. What kind of brand is it? We didn't even look, did we?
Probably from China.
Laced with coronavirus. It would be nice to have that mallet, wouldn't it? Do some duck lips. No, that's not a duck lip. No, duck lip. You got to flatten them. That's it. That looks good. Alright, so I just want to give you a little pro tip here. You know, I just got through measuring that piece right here. And after I got through cutting it, it left me with this smaller piece, which is perfect for down there. And if you notice, my last 3 cuts, one started here, the next one was here, and then the third one was down there. So it makes a great stagger. It just happened to work out. Oh, well, there's 2 lines there. We only want 1. Oh. Nope, still 2
Always
lines.
does it the hard way.
Ooh, that cut was not straight. It's all right. Going against the wall. Take 2. Take 2. Oh, oh yes. 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 You think you're a big man? Where are you going, Lisa?
I'm running away, Carrie.
No, Lisa.
I don't want to work no more, Carrie.
Lisa, come back, Lisa.
No. That's strong arming it.
Lisa, is there something you could be doing?
I am at your command. What are you doing?
Your mom's listening to you.
Trump
Alright.
did just get back from India.
Tap and Z. Yep. Tap. Here, spank it hard.
I'm trying to. This thing's slipping off. I have to hold it.
Oh, beautiful. Alright, so let's just take a look at this stuff. This is actually not bad stuff. It's called, as Clancy pointed out, Firm Fit Technology.
It's pretty much flooring though.
Yeah, that's about all I can say about it. Other than the boxes are plain. Nothing flashy about this stuff.
Oh, you just had to make this one hard, didn't you?
And how do you like it, Clancy? Clancy already said he liked it.
I liked it until I had to shove this piece in there now.
Oh, right. The paint store and turn this paint back in that didn't work. What are we gonna say to him?
You stupid man. Look what you did.
That's not positive.
How do you be positive, Quincy?
Stupid little man.
We're gonna tell him to subscribe so we have proof.
If he's got a problem, he can put it in the comments below.
That's right.
Say take the trash outside. The trash, Lisa.
She's ready to go.
There's a trash bag.
I'm so confused.
We're done with the mud. We're done with the mud over there.
Yeah?
We're done
Take
with
it outside.
We're done with the paint.
Take it outside.
I'll take it outside. So anyways, yeah. So this is all we got left to finish. Let's get that off of there. And let's get this toilet done. Ow. Apparently I'm bleeding somewhere. Stupid thing. Oh.
That's right. Film that, baby. Somebody clean them when I don't clean.
Anyways, you guys come back and join us anytime now. And remember, hey, if this is the kind of stuff you like to watch, be sure and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up, comment below.